What is up, guys, and welcome back to Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick a Rustoleum color and we pick a cool pearl, we shoot it over top, and then we decide, do we love it or do we hate it? And that's up to you guys in the comments. And speaking of comments, I try to like and heart every comment I see in every video. And I do read and see your suggestions, guys, for spray outs. And today's spray out is one of those suggestions. This one kind of piqued my interest. He wanted to see burgundy with a green pearl over top. And I was like, man, that'd be a weird and interesting combination. So I picked up some of this gloss cranberry Rustoleum 2X, and I got pistachio green pearl, which has a little bit of gold in it, but it's primarily green. It's a lighter green. But I was like, man, this is going to be an odd combination, but I'm excited for it. I hope you are too. As always, I got the fender prepped up, wiped down real good with some Prep-All, and scuffed up with some 400 grit wet sand. And if you haven't seen the last episode my wife took over, that was a really cool fender. So go back and check that out, as well as my other videos, guys. I got tons of Rustoleum experiments out there. We've been doing this for almost a year now. But anyways, we got to paint this fender gloss cranberry first. So let's get on that. Let's spray this fender down, and then we'll be ready to add the pearl. Alright guys, so as usual, I'm using my test clear, the high-tech clear. No UV protection, so do not use this. You can use the 8000, that's a 2K with excellent UV protection, or I recommend Speedo Coat. It's a very cost-effective clear. I have Amazon links in my descriptions of every video, guys, to all the products I use. As seen on YouTube, just click on it, and there's a list of every product, including the Speedo Coat, the Prep-All, the color shifts I use in some of the videos, and these sample pearls. So anyways, this clear mix is 4-to-1. So I did 4 ounces of clear. I'm doing 1 ounce of fast hardener because it is a little on the cooler side today. It's in the 50s, so that's the way I'm gonna do that. And let's see, pistachio green. Wow, over a burgundy. This is gonna be interesting. Very interesting. As far as pigment load, I'm just doing the fender, so maybe half an ounce. Really, I'm not even measuring. I'm just going to spritz it in here and mix it up and go for it, guys. Like I said, if I was doing a whole car, you probably want a 25-gram bag or more. And wow, instantly it changes the color. Let me move you guys in close so you can see what this looks like in the clear before I get to spray it. So this is a pretty interesting green. It's a little bit on the milder side, but it's going to be kind of weird shooting green over some burgundy. I'm not going to lie, this is definitely a different color combination for me. Well, let's put this in the gun and let's find out how this is going to turn out. Alright guys, so as always, I got my pearl mixed up in my V4 gun. If you want to pick one up, links in the description. I will be spraying off the regulator at 28 psi, wide open trigger, if you want to replicate my settings yourself. But I do recommend you guys dialing in however you particularly like it, and obviously always test out on trial. But anyways guys, let's go ahead and put a light coat down just to introduce it to the Rustoleum. It's been about 30 minutes since this stuff got sprayed last coat, and I typically try and wait 45 minutes to an hour before I start laying clear down, just to give the Rustoleum enough time to settle. Obviously, this is straight out the 2X can. Dries a lot quicker than if you were to mix it yourself out of the actual quartz. So anyways, I'm gonna quit yapping. Let's get to spraying and let's see what this green looks like over this Burgundy. Alright guys, so there you have it. Burgundy with a green pearl. Now I thought somebody was really messing with me when I saw that color combination. But actually it don't look too bad. Actually out in the sun it looks really cool. That green actually has a couple of other colors kind of in it a little bit. And when that light hits it, that contrast of the green over the burgundy, I'd say it's a great color, but that's up to you guys. You guys let me know. Was this a great one? Was it a fail? Was it a success? I want your comments down in the comments. But anyways, guys, I had a lot of fun with this one today. It was definitely different, very interesting combination, and that's what I like to see. Obviously, I've done a lot of blues and greens and a little bit of everything, color shifts, whatever. And I like unusual combinations like this because it kind of gets you outside of the box and gets you to thinking. But anyways, guys, if you made it this far in the video today and you like what I'm doing, please consider hitting that subscribe button, dropping me a like and comment. Guys, it helps me out tremendously. We just hit over 3,500 subscribers, and I am truly blessed to have each and every one of you continuing to watch. But that's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.